Okay, take a look at this. This photo right here. Blurry, grainy, and honestly a bit of a write-off. Now watch the same photo a couple of seconds later, sharp, clean, full of detail like it came straight off a proper camera. No Photoshop, no editing skills, and no sitting around for an hour. That right there is what a good AI image enhancer can do. And today I'm showing you the best one I've tested in 2026. So if you've got photos that deserve to look way better, stick around because this one is a bit of a game changer. And let's get started. First thought, why do photos come out blurry in the first place? Usually it's one of a few culprits. There's camera shake where your hand moved as you took the shot. There's motion blur where the subject moved. There's missed focus where the camera locked onto the wrong spot. And there's low light where everything goes soft and noisy because the camera was struggling. Oh, and the classic one, zooming in too far or pulling a tiny low res image of the internet. Knowing the cause is handy, but here's the good news. With the right tool, you can fix most of these after the fact in seconds. Now, before I tell you the tool I use, let's talk about what actually makes a great photo enhancer. Because trust me, there are a lot of rubbish ones out there. 3 things I always look for. Number 1, it has to be genuinely one click. If I need a full tutorial just to open the thing, I'm out. Number 2, it needs real AI upscaling, actual building detail and resolution back in, not just sharpening filter that makes everything look crunchy and overprocessed. And number 3, it has to handle a batch because nobody wants to fix 100 photos one at a time. Bonus points if it does more than just enhancing. Keep those 3 in mind because the tool I'm about to show you ticks every single box. And the tool is 4DDIG Photo Enhancer. Here's why it stands out. It's properly one click. You drop your photo in, pick a model, and it does the heavy lifting, no skills required. And it's got 3 AI models to match your shot, a general one for everyday photos, a denoise one for grainy, low light stuff, and a face model that works wonders on portraits and close-ups. On top of that, it properly upscales your resolution. A blurry, low-res photo can jump right up to crisp HD or even 4K with genuine detail being added back, not faked. And yes, it does batch so you can run a whole stack of photos at once. And it's not a one-trick pony either. The same app does AI expand image to stretch a photo out past its borders, AI image style transfer to restyle it into different looks with a single click, and a full photo repair for files that are corrupted or won't even open. So it's basically a whole photo studio in one. So how do you actually use it? The link's in the description and click the free download button. Just note there's a separate version for Windows and Mac, so pick the right one. You run the installer and you're set. Then it's 3 steps. Open the AI Enhancer tab, choose Photo Enhancer and add a photo. Pick the model that suits it, set your resolution and hit Enhance. Give it a few seconds and it's the satisfying part. It shows you the before and after side by side. When you're happy with it, hit save and boom, your photo's transformed. Quick word on the price. There's a free trial so you can test it out with your own photos before you pay for a single thing. After that, you got a monthly plan, a yearly plan, or a lifetime license where you can buy and keep forever, which is the best value if you use it regularly. There are multiple computer options too, and the whole thing is backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's really nothing to lose by trying it. So to sum it all up, if you want sharp, clean, high-resolution photos without any of the hard work, 4DDIG Photo Enhancer is genuinely the best one I've used this year. It's fast, it's one click, and it does way more than just enhancing. The link to grab the free trial is down in the description below, so go and try it out with your own photos and see for yourself. And if you found this video useful, smash the like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.